Hello everyone, I am John from AppShip. Today, I will introduce to you about coupon referral program for WooCommerce plugin integration. Help your application increase interaction. Help increase customer loyalty. Here I will copy the link containing the referral code to register a new account. Next, I will copy the coupon to use in the cart. Finally, with the sticky banner you can easily copy and share the referral code.